Okay. Okay.
There, I got it.
Okay.
Got it, thank you.
There it is. Hey guys, so today is gonna be an emotional day for us. We're saying goodbye to a family member who's been with us for 6 years.
I'm not gonna cry, just so you know. I'm not.
Yeah, and it's Sarah, and she's been with us for 6 years. Being part of this family, being part of what makes this home so special. So we've got a little going away cake for her, and we have a big surprise for her at the end of this video. I don't want her to go. Abdullah's 8 years old, so they've built a relationship, like a connection together, Abdullah and Sarah, since he was 2 years old. So she's like a sister to all of us. And why she's going, I think that's something that you all wonder. Is like she's going to get married, going to start her own family back home in Uganda. The day she's leaving is coming up very soon, so we want to have one day where it's just, telling us how much she means to us. Do you love Sarah?
Uh-huh.
And we have something for you. We have something small for you.
It's vanilla inside.
We're
We
gonna
will
miss you,
miss
Sarah.
so much.
It's Sarah's cake. You have to ask her first.
Can I try this?
Of course I do.
We want to say from all of us that we love you so much, that we're gonna miss you so much, and we just want you to know that this is always gonna be your home, part of this family.
Don't cry! I said I'm not gonna cry.
Can't wait to see your beautiful family, and we can't wait to see them grow, and we can't wait to welcome them all back here, inshallah. And we love you so much, and I know we're going out now to do a few things, but we love you.
Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry.
I want to tell the world, there is people you think you never thought that you've met. Oh my God, I never lacked anything. If I want to go to my country, I say, Khalid, I want to go to Uganda. Okay, it's fine. Salama, I want this. Okay. They never say no. Everything I want, they give me. So, Khalid and Salama, I want to say thank you. Actually, to all your family.
Thank you for everything. We're gonna miss you so much.
I'm not crying, man.
Can we just eat some cake now?
Adela, can you give me a hug?
Why are you crying? I miss that.
Let's sweeten this day up a little bit. Just make it a little sweeter. Cake can hide the tears. We don't know what to say when we say we miss you, but we'll just sing happy birthday just because it's...
You didn't say.
Yeah, alright. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sarah. Happy birthday to you. Yay.
I wish I can still.
This is the piece she cut first. Notice it's the biggest piece. I was like, you guys want cake? They're like...
I am not allowed, but let's do this.
Sarah, I want to ask you a question. What's the thing you're going to miss most about, other than like the home, what are you going to miss most about the UAE? What's that? Sarah calls me every day, I think around every Thursday, 2:15 p.m. Hey Khalid, send money for McDonald's. Every time. We're planning on going to Uganda in January for Sarah's wedding.
Yay! I'll wear the traditional clothes.
Oh, the team, yeah?
Yeah, everyone is invited. We've already been to Uganda once and it's beautiful. So now we're going again to celebrate a beautiful human being in a beautiful country. I think he's going to be going to Uganda with you. Like, I'll wake up in the morning. Hey, have you seen Abdullah? Oh, he's with Sarah in Uganda. Oh, okay, he'll be good.
Are you gonna marry and come back here?
Are you gonna marry and come back?
And we will go with you and enter your house.
For the past month, we've been digging around and trying to find out how much the wedding will cost. And Sarah told us how much her wedding is gonna cost, and we want to give her that as a wedding gift. We want to take care of her wedding and pay for it. So yeah, that would be all.
So she doesn't know. She always transfers her money back home. So when she's transferring her money, Salama's gonna give her bit more to transfer, which inshallah will be our goodbye gift or see you later gift.
See you in January.
Gift. See you in January gift, inshallah.
Inshallah.
So let's go. All right, Leo, we'll see you later. If you want anything, just make sure and give us a call. We're just gonna go and get some stuff.
Take care of the house, please.
Yeah, and don't get up. Don't get up.
Please
Stay where you are.
Stay, it's fine.
Enjoy your
Nap.
life. Nap. It's more of a hibernation. Right. As you can see, getting ready is a bit of a process, but we always get there in the end. All right, so we're going downtown now, run a few errands, and the big surprise. Let's go. So we are in downtown Abu Dhabi, running some errands, getting some gifts, all that stuff that Sarah wants to send home, and we've got the big surprise happening.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
We have a surprise for you.
So big, you don't know. You're gonna scream so loud when you go.
You told us how much your wedding is going to cost, so we just wanna pay for all of your wedding expenses as a thank you and to tell you how much we love you. Abdullah saying thank you,
These people, they are not only my bosses. They are my brothers.
Yeah.
He's my brother. She's my sister, and they are my friend.
Yeah, we
They're my friends.
You're gonna cry, Baba.
I want to say thank you for Salama and Khalid. God bless you. God bless you. I didn't know. Seriously.
She thought she's gonna give it to the counter.
Oh, she didn't know the money was hers? See, that's the pure heart. She sees the money, she's like, okay. She didn't realize. That's for your wedding. That's yours. Now it's all coming together. That's your money. It's for your wedding.
We love you, Sarah. We love you, Sarah.
We love you, Sarah.
We love you, Sarah.
Sarah, we love you so much.
Skina, man. She's having the hardest time. So there's a saying that says, family isn't always about the blood that connects us. It's about the people who welcome us into their lives and accept us and love us for who we are. And that is what Sarah did. She came into our home, she came into our lives and accepted us and loved us, and we'll never forget you. You will always, always be part of this family, and we're just gonna miss you so, so much.
Man, one video is not enough. It should be a lifetime supply of videos just to say thank you and how much I love you and how much you mean everything to me.
And we'll see you in about a month in Uganda, and it's gonna be yep, something like that. But we can't wait to see everything that you build and the beautiful family that you have, and you will always be home with us in our homes and in our hearts. Much love. God bless.